Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Amantii electric fireplaces. Featured here is going to be the Bespoke electric fireplace. Now this model is going to be available in 5 different sizes. They have a 30-inch, a 33-inch, a 38-inch, a 44-inch, and a 48-inch. So this is going to be the largest model here, the 48-inch model. They are electric again. This model has a 5,000 BTU heat output, which is pretty cool. You do have this ability to be able to change the flame here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. That's with some yellow in the flame. You can take the yellow out and just do orange flame. And then you do have the ability to just do a red flame as well. You can turn the flame off and on. So you do have a variety of options here. You can change the ember bed as well. This is going to be shown here with the birch logs inside the firebox. So Amantii has a variety of electric fireplaces. They do have options that can be installed outdoors as well. I'm just going to show you guys this up close. These flames look super cool. It's like having a giant fireplace in your home that you can just control with a simple electric remote, well, just a simple remote control, and it literally just plugs into a standard 110. Here we have the True View Bespoke Electric Fireplace by Amantii. This is super cool. They have a variety of sizes, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85, and these fireplaces can actually be connected together. So you'll see here, this is 3 different units put together, and look at how beautiful this looks. I mean, for like the centerpiece of your home, if you have a grand view opening, this is going to be an electric fireplace. This has a 20-inch view on the height, which is one of the biggest views probably in the electric fireplace industry. So that's super cool. And it looks really nice. You have the ability to take the remote control and change the ember body. You can change the flame background into a variety of colors as well. These are also available to connect to Wi-Fi with smartphone control. So you can actually plug this right into your phone. It does have the ability to do audio as well. So you can change colors, you can add audio, all to your electric fireplace and control it right from your smartphone. I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to just give us a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.